Welcome to Knowledge Vault. Today, we're heading to Sydney, Australia, to explore one of the most iconic buildings in the world, the Sydney Opera House. Let's dive into the history, design, and legacy of this architectural marvel. The Sydney Opera House isn't just a performing arts venue, it's a symbol of Australia's creativity and ambition. Completed in 1973, it's recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts over 8 million visitors annually. The Opera House's design is instantly recognizable, thanks to its unique sail-like structures. Designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, the building was inspired by elements of nature, resembling seashells or billowing sails, perfectly complementing its harborside location. But did you know the construction of the Opera House was highly controversial? Initially estimated to take 3 years and cost $7 million, it ended up taking 14 years and costing $100 million. Despite the challenges, it became an engineering and artistic triumph. The Opera House isn't just beautiful on the outside. Inside, it houses multiple performance spaces, including the concert hall, which boasts world-class acoustics and hosts everything from classical music to contemporary concerts. The Opera House is a cultural hub, hosting over 1,500 performances annually. From opera and ballet to modern theater and stand-up comedy, it's a space where art and culture thrive. Here's a fun fact. The Opera House's roof is covered in over 1 million tiles, made in Sweden, and they have a unique self-cleaning property to maintain their brilliance over time. One of the most breathtaking sights is the Opera House at night, especially during events like Vivid Sydney, when it becomes a canvas for stunning light projections. The Sydney Opera House isn't just an architectural masterpiece, it's a testament to human creativity and resilience. Whether you visit to admire its design or to experience a performance, it's a place that stays with you forever. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing stories from Knowledge Vault. See you in the next video.